if you don't have a work or a school email, the workaround that's usually suggested is to use Azure to create a user on Microsoft domain. And then to use this user to connect to your Fabric workspace, and it will be four steps process. The first one is to go and connect to the portal.azure.com, which is a portal that Microsoft provides for cloud computing services. And it offers a range of services, including computing, analytics, and storage and networking. Here you have the option to go and create a free trial. You will need your credit card details, but you won't be charged. So the first thing, you will go and click on start. It will take you to this start free, and if you want to go also with pay as you go, you can use it, but for the moment we will be using a free trial for our account. Okay, so this is the interface that you will be seeing, and it will be agreed to the customer agreement only. You click next. You will be able to create, okay, choose the country code and the phone number. So you will receive a verification code that you can use. All is done, so you need to go and click on to go to the Azure portal. This is what the interface usually will be. This is just a basic assessment to start with this. But for our side, what we are going to need right now is to add this user. What we are going to do is go and search for this keyword is Microsoft Entra ID. Here we have a lot of users there, and you can find the possibility to add a user, create a new user, and you give it a kind of very dummy name that can be used, and you can keep it the same. You don't need to change it. I don't need to have a user-generated password. I want to use my password, but please make sure to remember it because this is what we are going to use to connect to our Fabric workspace. This is the user, and this is what will be the domain at the it will be on Microsoft.com. And for this user, I think all is good. So account enabled, you need to be checking this one. You can check the properties, but for the moment, this is enough for our side. Just to go and click on create. So this is the user right now that you can see. We have create that user, and here you can see the details, the user principal name. So this is the one that we are gonna use, and going now to the Fabric portal, and always app.fabric.microsoft.com. Here you will be using the account that we just created here, and then you will be asked to provide a password, and you should be able to use the same password that you created a little bit earlier. And now you can change the password that you already have there, so it's only a security process that you can do. Here is a step that is asking you if you want to use Microsoft Authentication app just to configure more security. You will have 14 days to do this, but for me, I will need only to do it later, so I will be asking later. To be able to see together the Fabric workspace, you will need to go and click continue. Here you will choose the country that you are working with. So depends which country are you located right now. You will be using your country, and you will be using the phone number. Other than that, you won't need to check any other boxes. So you need to go and uh, get started, and here you will be seeing the interface. Preparing your environment, it takes few minutes. Okay, when the environment is prepared, you will be seeing this interface and you will be able to see that you will have your account with the user that you have created. The only thing here you need to do when you are in the free trial, you need to go and click on free trial. You need to activate this because it will be is 60 days access to all the features and also 1 terabyte of data in the one lake house. So you go and click on activate and it's very simple. It's successfully upgraded. You go now to the Fabric homepage again to see that we already activated our free trial and we are able to see all the components there, and you will start seeing that it's already start counting the trial. In the next video, we will be discovering together the Power BI, Data Factory, all the components. I hope that this method will work for you, and probably in the future it will be easier to use personal email to connect to Fabric.